I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Rice Krispie treats in the microwave. Start by measuring 6 cups of cereal and 10 ounces of marshmallows. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter first, then add marshmallows and microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring between each. Mix cereal in quickly until evenly coated. Press into a lined pan using wax paper and let set for about 20 minutes before cutting and serving. Gather a 9x13 pan, parchment, 6 cups cereal, 10 ounces marshmallows, and 3 tablespoons butter. Melt butter first, then add marshmallows and microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring after each burst until smooth. Quickly fold in cereal until evenly coated but still fluffy. Transfer to the prepared pan and press gently with wax paper for even thickness. Let the treats cool and set before cutting into. Try simple twists like stirring in 1 cup chocolate chips or 1/2 cup peanut butter after removing from the microwave. For chewier treats, use a touch more marshmallow or press less firmly when transferring to the pan. If you prefer crispier texture, toast the cereal lightly before mixing. Always let the pan cool slightly so the treats set cleanly, then cut into squares and store airtight to maintain freshness for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.